What's up? This your boy No Chill Chat checking in, and I'm back with another video. Just a little update on the F-Body. I've really just been kind of chilling out, stacking. I got some big things coming with my job, so I'm trying to focus on that. At the same time, I've been sending money to the shop. J-Rod's gonna be doing all the work on my car. We gotta get some things made, built, so that takes a little process, especially with COVID. There's a 4 to 6 weeks wait on everything. So lately I just been kind of stacking up, buying little things here and there just to modify. Haven't really been pressured to do too much lately, but I have made a little update, a little upgrade that you might like. I mean, I've been excited. I've been looking for just some minor little upgrades for a minute now. So it's gonna debut kind of just what I got going on for the most part. Got a couple other things coming, but this is just a little quick update to let you know or just show you just what I got going on. All right, so here are the new wheels. This is what I've been waiting on for a minute. Here are the new wheels. So these are the Cosmis Racing XT005R wheels. I saw these on the forum a couple times. I thought they looked great. Did some research, and these wheels really don't cost that much. I was actually a little surprised. So I just needed something because I got tired of the stock look. Everybody knows never ride stock, never ride stock. And I've been looking for these wheels, went to their website, and these things have been sold out for months, probably for a year now. They had a black pair, they had a gray pair, a gunmetal, they had an all white, and they had a bronze. They had a bronze set. And really, any of those colors probably would have worked. Probably would have worked regardless. And I saw a dude on Facebook. He had a set, never mounted, never installed. He was gonna go a different direction. He sold his car, and he had posted them for sale. And then I hit him up. I was supposed to go get them a few weeks ago, and then the day before I was supposed to leave, he was like, man, decided to keep them. I was really upset. So then the company Cosmis said, hey, we got another set. We got a shipment coming in. So I hit him up, and I ordered the front wheels. They had the gunmetal gray. They had the front wheels available. So they kept showing all this new inventory coming in. And I was like, man, I hit them up, and they was like, yeah, we got a set coming in, everything. So I ordered the fronts. I had to make sure I get them. Ordered the fronts. So then I didn't see the rears online. And I was like, hey, what's up with the rears? And they was like, yeah, we should have them. Let me check inventory. Didn't hear anything. So I hit them back. I was like, hey, did you ever check on those rears? Yeah, man, they're about 3 to 3.5 months out. What? I'm like, so I'm be sitting here with fronts, in my garage until rears come. Nah, you can cancel that order. So really, I was kind of just looking online for some other alternatives to the wheels, Just wanted to spend a little money on just some nice wheels, used, new, whatever it was, just wanted them to look good. So then I get back on Facebook, and then I see the guy post them again. I was like, bro, man, you said you wasn't gonna sell them, you was gonna keep them. He was like, man, I was just kind of undecided, and decided that he would let them go. So I drove down to New Orleans, picked him up, cool dude, real humble, sold him for what he said, unmounted, brand new in the box, and cheaper than what I would have bought them brand new from the factory. So no wait really getting them, but finally got them, so I'm satisfied. So the car is sitting up like a truck, of course, but I do have the BMR springs coming in, and I'm gonna get those installed very quickly, because right now it's sitting up like a truck. As you can see, the front is pretty much flush. The rear is a little aggressive. Once it's lowered, it'll kind of fill in that gap. Of course, it'll look a lot better. So I was looking for the R888s. The R888s are on back order nationally. I mean, you can get like a 235, 65 and they got them. But anything with a 305, 315, 325, everything is sold out on back order. So I had to settle with the Mickey Thompson's Super Streets 305, 35, 18, and the fronts that I was looking for, back ordered. So I just picked up some used fronts, these some Michelin Pilot Sports, just to get me by until I get the set of tires that I really want for the front. So I had to do a little modification. So the thing is, with these wheels and tires, they only make 150. The front is plus 20, I think. It was like plus 20, and the rear is like plus 25. They only make like one fitment. And a lot of complaints is the rears stick out a lot, or just some people's taste. So what I ended up doing was getting with the machine shop and had the machine shop mill off about 5 millimeters to bring it in some more. So with a 305, the tire has a little bulge to it, but with a 305, it definitely brought the wheel in more. If I probably had a 295 or 285, it probably would have sat a little flush. But once I get the springs and it kind of sits on the tire, it's really gonna look it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna look real good. I went with the BMR 1.25 lowering. I was kind of mixed feelings on the coilovers. Not sure if I want to do the coilovers yet. I may end up just doing the coilovers in the rear. Just kind of, just testing out the waters right now. I just needed something so the car would just look good. The center caps fit on the front. They were no problem because there was enough hub on it. And the rear, the hub, the center of the hub sits like right in the middle of the wheel. So the center cap would not fit. So what I did was order these adhesive center caps that kind of just sit in the wheels. So they're going to be adhesive and they should go in there perfectly fine. We shouldn't have any issues. We'll see how that goes. I'll let you know how that goes. Like I said, definitely needs to be lowered. Looks like a truck, but it looks good. Definitely kind of reminds you of Wells. I know somebody's going to say that, but I like it. Cost effective. I like it. Deep lip. Definitely like it. And then also, I'm going to be doing the Brembo upgrade for the front. I got to get new rotors. Probably just slide it. May not do drilled. It's going to look good, man. I need y'all to help me find out what caliper color I should roll with. I think I want to go back to purple that I had on my 5th gen. I think that'll look really good. Maybe a royal blue. You tell me what you think. All right. So I appreciate y'all for checking in on this new update for the F-Body. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see next. Make sure you check out my website. I got some gear. If you'll ever need to check her out, I appreciate her. Also got the merch, got the joggers on. So wearing my whole little outfit, man. No chill Chad, man. See you guys later.